Hi, my name is Montana. I'm a certified ICF coach, situational leadership, NLP, and timeline therapy trainer. Today, in this video, you're going to learn how to use 4 questions to discover personal motivation, something beyond the surface, not just the situation, but deep inside. You may ask, why not just focus on the problem, the situation? What is the benefit? Just go deep for the inner search. Yes, I'm with you. I understand. Focus on the situation is so important. I used to think this way as well. Recently, I have my new learning, and I realized that if we can dig deeper, understand people's emotion, their perceptions, their value, their motivational driver, their identity, it could be really powerful and impactful. And this could drive a sustainable change. So, if you want to help people for a mindset transformation, as a coach or as a leader, these are critical information for you to know. Before I talk about these 4 questions, first of all, I want to spend a few minutes explain to you what is the human iceberg. The exposed part of the iceberg is like the surface of how a person represents themselves, their behavior, and the result achieved. It is the current situation. So what's driving those behaviors, actions, and results? What's laid underneath those behaviors? These are the things that are in you. It may be hidden or unseen. Those are your perception, emotion, personal values, driver, identity, and personality traits. All these are factors influencing our behavior and actual result. Studies show about 10 to 15% is visible to the outside world, and 85% to 90% is hidden below the surface. I hope by now I have convinced you enough the importance of discovering a personal motivation and dig deeper for an inner search. These 4 questions designed specifically for the inner search purpose. What does this mean to you? What is important to you? How do you see yourself? What really motivates you? Before we go into the coaching demo session, first of all, I must emphasize strong enough that these 4 questions are very, very powerful, and it can go really deep for our unconscious mind. And to a lot of people, those topics is very private. So as a coach, you must ask for a permission. How to ask for a permission? You can say, can you simply share with me a bit deeper? What makes this topic so important to you? Or you can ask, may I ask you a deeper question? Then you just keep silent and wait for their confirmation. This is one of the most important competences as a coach have to demonstrate. We must create trust and respect our coachee. Hi, how are you today? Oh, I'm very good, thank you. What is meaningful for you to talk about today? Today I want to explore more. How could I maximize my impact? Like using my knowledge, my skills, my experience to the people around me, to the society or the community. I hear that you want to maximize more of your impact. What makes this topic so important to you? I'm the kind of person I live with a purpose. I have even written down my mission statement 15 years ago, and I find that the mission statement guided me really well for the last 15 years. But recently I started to rethink, how could I really make greater impact? Like how I could do things faster, better, driving greater result for self and also for others. I think this idea comes from the recent environment. The world is really disrupting. I saw the industry, they are really reforming in a new way, and there's a lot of new technologies like Internet of Things, machine learning, AI, and I really think it's really time for me to establish and adopting a new way to drive greater value, greater result, while keeping my core purpose in life at the same time. Well, I hear that there's a realization, an urge to adopt a new way to drive greater impact, and it's important to you to keep your core purpose in life. Can you simply share with me a bit deeper, keeping your core purpose in life while empowering yourself to drive more impact. What does that mean to you? My purpose is in life, it's really about learning and sharing. I love learning, and through the learning process, I become very good at we structure, we organize and systemize things, and I share those knowledge with others, make them feel easy to learn, easy to absorb, and very easy to apply. And I would say that I used to only share my skills, my knowledge to a very limited type of audience, mainly in the corporate world, international firm, in the luxury market. Even though the program that I create already serve over 1,000 people globally, and now I think I really want to connect to more people, and I really want to have more options for me to connect with others as well. I'm glad to hear that you're living with your life purpose. I'm curious, how do you see yourself? As I mentioned earlier, I'm a learning machine. I love learning, and I learn and then I output and I share my knowledge as well. That's why I'm pretty good in training, coaching. Overall, I feel like I'm very gentle, yet very influential and inspirational. Wow, gentle, influential, and inspirational. That's really nice. Can you share with me what really motivates you? What really motivates me? When I see people pushing their own limit, taking their very, very best effort to step out of their comfort zone, to chase their dream, that's really motivates me, because I believe that we all only live once, so we all should do whatever it takes that is humanly possible to chase our dream. And my purpose, my mission in life is really about making a positive impact to others through training and coaching and therapy work. I love what I'm doing. So now I hope you see the power of these 4 motivation questions, and it helps you and guides you to discover a person motivator. Let's review these 4 questions once again together. What does this mean to you? What is important to you? How do you see yourself? What really motivates you? In a practical coaching session, we have 5-step process, including focus, desire outcome, motivation, measure success, and actions. In this video, I have shown you just a few tips for the motivation step. Identify personal motivator, and I hope you find this video helpful. Your feedback is extremely important to me. Moving forward, I would also like to share more tips with you in each of those steps. So don't miss it. Press the subscription button below and ring the bell, drop a like, leave us a comment. Let me know which question you like most, or if you have any other powerful question, share it with me in the comment section below. See you!